So mock test number 3. So see the first question. Here they given tabular data. A actually work done and maximum time they given. So here they given maximum time. See the first question here. A worked for 1 hour, then he took rest for next 15 minutes. In a similar pattern, he completed his entire duration of the work, then find net efficiency of A. So in units per hour. If you observe carefully here, all of you, whenever he works for 1 hour, he rests for how many minutes? Next 15 minutes. 1 hour work is nothing but 15 minutes rest. Then 4 hours work is nothing but 1 hour rest. Na? All of it clear? 8 hours work is nothing but 2 hours work. Na? Yet maximum time is what? Together is 10 hours only. But in reality they are doing only 8 hours. Na? In 8 hours they are doing how much work? 15. This is net efficiency. Na? 50 by 8 is nothing but 25 by 4. So your answer is 25 by 4. So total time, maximum time is 10 hours. Out of 10 hours, they are effectively working for 8 hours only. Remaining 2 hours is rest time. So efficiency, effective work is nothing but total work by effective number of hours. Shall I go for the next question? See here. If B works with 60% more efficient than, so B works with 60% more efficient than, more than his minimum efficiency. First of all, if you observe carefully here, B's efficiency is how much, Nana? 12 hours 60, that is maximum. 12 hours 60 units per hour, 5 units. 60% more is nothing but 8. 3 more, na? On 5, 60% is nothing but 3. So 3 plus 5, 8. 8. Then find the total time of rest of B in entire duration of the work. So total work is 60. With the alpha of 8, if they work, how many hours it will take? How many hours it will take? 7.5 hours, na? But maximum time is how much? 12 hours. B's maximum time is 12 hours, but he is working for only 7.5 hours, and the rest time is how much? 4.5 hours. Your answer is 4.5 hours. Rest time is 4.5 hours. Rest time is what? 4.5 hours. Shall I go for the next question? See here. If C works for 1 hour and rest for next 10 minutes. In a similar manner, he completed his entire work. If the efficiency of C is 20% more than average minimum efficiency of A and B. So A's efficiency is what? 5 units. B's efficiency is what? 5 units. 10 hours 15 units. Efficiency is 5. 12 hours 60 units. Efficiency is 5. The average of 5 and 5 is 5 only. Are you clear? Now 1 hour work. 1 hour work. Rest is 10 minutes. Therefore 6 hours work is nothing but 1 hour rest. Na? Are you clear? Total C's time is what? If you go for 12 hours work, how many hours rest? 2 hours. Together is 14 hours. Na? Per hour is how much? Na? Per hour how many units? 5 units. So 14 into 5, 70. Our answer should be little bit more than 70. It's very closer to 70. Closer to 70, little bit less, closer to 70 is which option is there? Not 78. It's not go for 78. If you go for next hour, this 14 hours completed. Na? Next hour C's efficiency is how much? 5. Together is 75. Our answer is less than 75. More than 70, less than 75. Which option is there? None of these. It's not possible 78. Are you clear, Nana? But entire work is also not possible because after working for 1 hour, rest time is 10 minutes is there, na? Are you clear, Nana? Shall I go for the next question? Next, if the efficiency of C is the average minimum efficiency of A and B, then find the total work done by C. See here, average A's efficiency is what? 5. B's efficiency is what? C's efficiency is average of A and B. Therefore, average is also 5. 1 hour 5. Total how many hours? Together is how many units? 75 units. Your answer is 75. Are you clear? Shall I go for the next question? Yes. Table below shows the time and rate of interest in the given 3 streams A, B, C scheme. So here 30 years is there. Okay. X square minus 3x minus 10. What are the roots? What are the roots? 5 over 2, but minus 5 plus 2. It comes outside plus 5 minus 2. But negative, it's not possible on rate of interest. So that is the reason we are going to consider this one as what? 5%. Are you clear, Nana? Next, y square minus y minus 6. Then what are the roots? Minus 3 plus 2. Minus 3 become plus 3, plus 2 become minus 2. Minus 2, it's not possible. You are going to take 3. This is what? 3. Now see the first condition. If time is greater than rate of interest, then that is simple interest. Time is greater than rate of interest. Then first one is what? A scheme is what? Simple interest. A scheme is what? Simple interest. A scheme time is 30 years. A scheme time is how many years? 30 years. Rate of interest is 5%. Therefore simple interest now. Now coming to the second statement. If time is less than rate of interest, that is compound interest. See the second scheme. Time is 3 years. Rate of interest is 20%. Now this is which interest? Compound interest. Some values are missing. You have to calculate according to the questions. Okay, no problem. Now coming to the C scheme, 40 years. It's not possible more than 40%. That is the reason we are going to consider this one is also simple interest. That is based upon the given data. It's not decided now. So we'll see in the future. Next, rate of interest is in scheme C is greater than that of. Therefore, this one is greater than 5%. Na? All of you clear? Next, Ramya and Divya are friends. They invested their sum in scheme A and scheme B respectively. Divya invested how much, Nana? Divya invested how much? 15,000. Divya invested 15,000. Okay. Sum invested and profit earned by Ramya is same. Whatever Ramya is invested, that Ramya investment will be equivalent to profit. Profit is nothing but interest. So interest will be equivalent to investment. That is nothing but principal. So you can say confidently, Ramya's principal will be equivalent to Ramya's interest. Interest is nothing but profit. Next, what they given? Ramya also invested some money in scheme C at simple interest. Okay, interest earned by her is same as that of the profit in scheme A. Okay. Next, if the ratio, see the first question, Anna. See the first question, this one. If the ratio of investment for Ramya and Divya in scheme A and scheme B respectively 2:3. In scheme A, Ramya's investment was how much? 2 parts. In scheme B, Divya's investment was how much? 3 parts. We know very well Divya's investment is 15,000 na. 3 parts is 15,000, 2 parts is 10,000. Are you clear? 10,000. Therefore, Ramya's investment was 10,000. In which scheme? Scheme A. If you observe carefully here, Nana, scheme A principal is 10,000. According to the given rate of interest, interest is 150%. Na? Interest is 150%. Na? Principal is 10,000, then interest is 15,000. Na? 15,000. Na? But we need to get what? Whatever Ramya invested, that investment will be equivalent to interest. Na? But you are getting more than interest. Na? More than principal. Na? You are investing 10,000, but you are getting 15,000. But Ramya's principal will be equivalent to Ramya's interest. And how much more, na? 5,000 more and 10,000, na? All of you clear, na? That 5,000 more, na? Here they're asking, what the question? Ramya's invested scheme A is what percentage of actual rate of same scheme? If you observe carefully here, na? How much less antunnadu? Original rate of interest to compare cheste asalli enta less antunnadu. How much, na? How much less? 10,000, na? But really they are getting how much, na? 15,000. మనకు రావాల్సిన ఇంట్రెస్ట్ ఎంత? 10,000 only, because Ramya's investment is 10,000. We need to get only 10,000 as interest, but you are getting this 15,000 is according to given rate of interest na, but this is according to the question na, and how much na? 10,000 by 15,000 is nothing but 2 by 3. 2 by 3 is nothing but 66 2 by 3. According to the given rate of interest, you are getting 15,000 interest, but we need to get only 10,000. Are you clear nana? మనకి ఇచ్చినటువంటి రేట్ ఆఫ్ ఇంట్రెస్ట్ ప్రకారం 150% వస్తుంది, అంటే 15,000 వస్తుంది, కానీ మనకు రావాల్సింది 10,000. అంటే గివెన్ రేట్ ఆఫ్ ఇంట్రెస్ట్ కన్నా తక్కువ ఉండాలి. ఎంత తక్కువ ఉండాలి? సో 10,000 by 15,000, దట్ ఈస్ 2 by 3. నెక్స్ట్ అన్న, see the next question, all of you. What they given here? Rate at which Ramya invested in scheme C follows the equation z square minus 2z minus 24 is equal to 0. What are the quadratic what are the roots? 6 to 4 na, but that is minus 6 plus 4. It comes outside plus 6 minus 4. Minus 4 neglected, therefore 6. C scheme, that is 6. 6 is accepted or not? Because that is greater than 5 only. If it is time is more than rate of interest, that consider simple interest na. Are you clear nana? Yes. Now, and the interest earned by her in scheme C is 160% of the amount invested by Divya in scheme B. Interest earned by scheme C is 160% of what nana? Amount invested by Divya in scheme B. Amount invested by Divya in scheme B is what? 15,000. This 160% of 15,000 is equal to interest earned by, then find the amount received by Ramya from scheme C. We don't know principal na. So P into principal into rate of interest into time period is how much na? 240% na. Therefore, we can say confidently 160% of 15,000 will be equivalent to 240% of P. Are you clear nana? So we need to find out the P na. We need to find out what nana? P, not P, interest. We need to calculate total amount, find the amount. Yes or not? First of all, we need to get P, then after that we will get amount. See here, 160 how many times nana? 1.5 times. Are you clear? 160 1 that's 160, 160 half that's 80, 80 plus 160 240. 1.5 how many times? 15,000. 10,000 na. All of you clear? Then C's investment was, if C's investment is 10,000, if C's investment is 10,000, investment it is 10,000, rate of interest is 6%, time period is 40%, total interest is 240% na. 240% of 10,000, 24,000 na. Interest is 24,000 na. Principal is 10,000 na. Interest is 24,000 na. Amount is nothing but principal plus interest na. Principal plus interest is nothing but 34,000 na. Your answer is 34,000. Are you understood nana? Shall I go for the next question? What happened? Shall I go for the next question? See here. What is the ratio of the rate of interest of Ramya and Divya from the respective schemes A and B? That is very simple question na. A and B. A is rate of interest is what? 5%. B 20. Ratio 1:4. Next question. How much interest is earned by Divya in scheme B if she invested 15,000? Scheme B, they're asking only interest. They're asking what? Only interest. In scheme B na, scheme B rate of interest is, principal is 15,000. First year interest, so 20% on 15,000, 3,000. This is first year interest na. This is first year interest na. Second year interest is nothing but 3,000 plus 20%. That is nothing but 600. This is second year interest na. Third year interest is nothing but what? 3,600 plus 20% on 3600, 720, and our answer is end with 20. Only one option. Our answer is end with 20 na, so only one option. Are you ready? See here, 49 to so 55, okay. See here, there are two companies, A and B, consisting of 3 departments, each named HR, Marketing, Finance. Information about these companies has given below. Here 3 companies are there, A, B, C. 2 companies are there, A, B. A company is there, B company is there. And how many departments are there? How many departments are there? 3 departments are there. What are those? HR, Marketing, Finance. And this is total. And here 2 types of employees are there. Here 2 types of employees are there. Existing plus new. Existing plus new. Existing plus new. Now see here. Read the first statement. There are 64 existing members are there. There are 64 existing members are there. Which company? A company. 64 existing members are there. If 2 members are added in each department, if 2 members are added in each department, if 2 members are added in each department, total it is what? Total new added is 6. Total new added is 6. Total it is what? 70. Next, the ratio of number of total is nothing but existing plus new. In HR and marketing departments to the finance department, HR plus marketing together is 4 parts and finance is what? 3 parts. Total 7 parts na? 7 parts is nothing but total it is what? 70. Total it is 70. Then finance is 3 parts na? If finance is 3 parts is nothing but 30. Total it is 30. Already new members are 2. Then remaining are 28. And HR and marketing together is 40. Together is 40. Already 4 is there na? Already 4 is there. Say for example, if I assume this is X, this is what? 36 minus X. Are you clear na? Next, coming to the company B. The number of existing members in HR department is 6. HR department is how much na? 6. No new member is added further in the particular department. No new member is added. 0. Number of existing members in the finance department is equal to 10. Existing department finance existing how much na? 10. Next, coming to the next statement. The number of total existing plus new members in finance department of company B. Company B finance department. Company B finance department we don't know na? Yes or na? If we assume this is some Y, this is some Y. New members in finance department in company B, that is Y. Then total number of members in finance department of company B is what? 10 plus Y na? Are you clear? This is equal to what? Is half of the number of total members in the marketing department of X. Marketing department, half of X plus this 2 comes to this side. This is 20 na? 20 plus 2y is equal to X plus 2 na? The 2 comes to this side. What happened? 18 plus 2y is equal to X na? All of you clear na? Next read. New members added in finance department in company B. Company B. New members added in finance department in company B is nothing but Y na? Is half of the this is half of the number of members added in the marketing department of the same company. If this is Y, this is 2Y na? Finance department new members will be equivalent to half of the new members of the marketing department. Are you clear na? Next, number of total members marketing department of company A. Total number of total members in marketing department of company A. So marketing company of A is how much na? X plus 2 na? That is X plus 2 is 6 more than that in the company B. And company B is how much? We don't know this value now. Just assume this is some z. Then that will be equivalent to what? 2y plus z. Next, any other value? The total members existing plus new of HR in company A. Company A HR is how much? Company A HR. Company A HR nana 36 minus x plus 2 and plus finance in company B. Finance in company B is what? 10 plus, that is equal to total. It is how much? Total it is how much? 28. Are you clear? So HR in A, finance in B. Total existing plus new. Total is 28. Now here variable x is there na. In place of x, if we cube, if you substitute this 18 plus 2y, then all will get in terms of y na. Once you can get y, you will get x na. Once you can get x, then you can find out z na. Yes. In place of x, then substitute minus is there na. That will become minus 18 minus 2y. Now look at it here na. Minus 18, 36 to minus 18 is how much? 18. 18 plus 10. 18 plus 10. 28 get cancel na. Are you clear? Next, minus 2y plus y. Minus y na. Minus y is equal to this. Plus 2 comes to this side. Minus 2 na. Minus y is equal to minus 2. Y is equal to. Then y is equal to 2. If you observe na, if y is equal to 2. If y is equal to 2, then x is equal to what? X is equal to what? 22. X is equal to, if x is equal to 22, 36 minus x. 36 minus x, 14. Then 2y is equal to, now we need z also na. Yes. In place of x, keep 22. Y, this is what? 4. 4 plus 6. So if you subtract 10 from 24, 14, z is equal to 14. I think all values are filled na. Now tell me, total existing members of company B is how much? 6, 14, 10. 6, 14, 10. 30. So new members are 6. Total it is 36. Here total it is 70. So once you fill this table, the questions are very easy for you. So total 6 questions are there, I think. 6 into 2 marks. If you got 12 in the main, then you'll get the job. No doubt in that one. Are you clear, Nana? Are you ready? Shall I go for the first question, Nana? So what is the first question? See the first question. Find the total number of existing members in company B. Total number of existing members. Existing members is how much, Anna? 30. Don't go for 36. కొంతమంది 36 కూడా ఆప్షన్ టిక్ కొడతారు. They are asking total existing members of company B, not total employees. Yes or no? 30. Shall I go for the next question? Are you ready? Next one. Find the ratio of total members of company A and company B. Company A total is what? 70. Company B total, that is nothing but 35 is to 18. Next one. If 5 members from total members of HR department of A are transferred to company B, then the total number of members in company B. Company B, previously it is what? 36 na? If you add 5, then total members of company B is what? 41. Your answer is 41. If you transfer 5 members of company A to company B, then it becomes 41. Next, the number of existing employees in all the 3 departments of company B is what percentage more or less than the total number of employees in HR and marketing departments of company A. So number of existing employees in all the 3 departments in company B. Company B, all the departments existing employees are how much? 30 na? The 30 is what percentage more or less than the total number of employees in HR and marketing all total అన్నాడు. Total HR marketing. HR total is how much? 16. HR total 16. Marketing total 24. Together 40. How much less nana? 10 less. 10 by 40. 1 by 4. 1 by 4 is nothing but 25%. Whenever they ask more or less, we go for difference. So after that, which person is coming, that person have to keep in the denominator. Shall I go for the next question? Find the difference between the number of existing employees, all the three departments of company A, and the total number of employees in the marketing and finance departments of company B. So first of all, existing employees in all the three departments of company A. How much na? 64 na? 60. And the total number of employees, marketing and finance. Marketing is how much na total? And finance is together is 30. Difference is, they're asking difference na? Difference is how much? 34. Shall I go for the next question? See here, if the total number of employees in marketing department of company C, they're added company C na? They're added company C. Company C is 12.5% more than the total number of employees in the HR department of company A. So total HR how much in company A? 16 na? 16 na? 16. 12.5 is nothing but 1 by 8 na? 1 by 8 of 16 is nothing but 2. 2 more is nothing but what? 18. So HR is 18. HR is what na? 18. Next. And the ratio of total number of employees in all the three departments of company B and C. B and C is what? 9 is to 8. 9 is to 8 nana. If you observe carefully here, B total it is what? 36 na? 9 parts is nothing but 36 na? Then 8 parts is 32. That 32 is what? Total. That 32 is what? Total. 32 is total. Already 18 is there in HR department na? Then remaining, that 14 is what? Marketing and finance na? Marketing and finance na? They're asking. Then find the total number of HR and finance. Okay, in the kitchen marketing na? Yes. Marketing, yes. This 18 is marketing. Then remaining 14 are HR and finance. So your answer is 14. Initial 18 is marketing. Initial 18 is what? Marketing. Your answer is 14. Shall I go for the next question? I think in this set that is the last question na? Now. So what they given here? Refer the data and answer the given questions. A person was watching 4 web series on Amazon Prime. Each web series has some episodes not equally necessarily. The time length of each episode these web series is 20 minutes. Underline that statement. Each web series the time length is what? Duration is what? 20 minutes. The given bar graph shows the percentage of distribution of the number of episodes of each web series out of the total number of episodes of all 4 web series. The percentage of watched episodes of the given series by the each person. So now here, so total 4 are there, A, B, C, D. A, B, C, D, 4 are there. Okay. They given percentage of distribution of number of episodes. Okay. And watched by the person. Okay. See the note, Nana, all of you. There are total 4. There are total number of episodes of all 4 web series is what? X. Total number of episodes of all 4 web series is what? X. We don't know that X value. Are you clear now? Total number of episodes in all 4 web series. We don't know X value. Just keep aside. The average of total watched episodes of series A and series D by the given person is X minus 192. Now, generally, if you don't know some value, generally we assume as 100. Na? But here, if you observe, average of A and D is X minus 192 and X will be more than 192. Na? X will be more than 192. Na? That is the reason X I am going to assume as 200. No problem na. X is nothing but all 4 web series total episodes na. All of you clear na? Now observe carefully here. A is how much percentage na? A is how much percent? 20% na. In the bar graph, A is how much percentage? 20% is nothing but how many episodes? 40 episodes. And B is 30%. 30% of 200 is nothing but 60 episodes, and C is 40%. So 40% is nothing but 80 episodes. D is 10%. 10% is nothing but 20. Together is 200 episodes na. These are number of episodes na. Are you clear na? Second statement is what? Distribution of watched episodes of given web series by a person. Distribution of number of episodes watched by a person. These are available episodes na. These are available episodes in the given Amazon Prime. But all episodes is not watched by a person. How much percentage of episodes watched by a person they given in the second one? So tell me, Nana, A person 25%. 25% is nothing but 10 episodes. B 60%. 36 episodes. C 40% is nothing but 32 episodes. 30% is nothing but 6 episodes. So total number of episodes available, total number of episodes watched by a person. Are you clear? Next, Nana. Next. If you observe carefully here, the average of total watched episodes of A and D by the given person. A and D, given person is how much, Nana? A and D? 10/6. 10/6. That 16 is average na. Average is total is 16. Average is that 8 is equal to x minus 192. Therefore x is equal to 200 na. Therefore our assumption and the given value both are same na. Are you clear, Nana? And no need to equate. If it is not same, sir, then we are going to equate. Here also we got same thing na. So that is the reason no need to equate. No need to equate. Therefore total number of episodes according to the sum is also our assumption and the according to the sum both are same. Now see the next statement, Nana. Daily watch time for these persons is 35 minutes. A person watching how many minutes daily? 35 minutes watch time. B person 25 minutes. C person 18 minutes. D person daily a person is spending on web series A 35 minutes, web series B 25 minutes, web series C 18 minutes and web series D 21 minutes. Are you clear, Nana? Next statement, Nana. Every day the person watches each show in numerical order. In numerical order. Yes. For example, a person watches first episode of the web series A, then he will start second episode of web series, whichever is earlier. The same applies other web series as well as. And here numerical order is nothing but total in web series A. How many episodes are there? 40 episodes are there na. Numerical order. First episodes watch first. After completion of the first episode, they enter into second episode. After completion of second episode, they enter into third episode. అంతేకాని డైరెక్ట్ గా మధ్యలో ఏముందో చూద్దాము, లాస్ట్ ఏముందో చూద్దాము అలా ఉండదు. న్యూమరికల్ ఆర్డర్ మీలాగా అందరు చూడరు. ఫస్ట్ ఎపిసోడ్ ఫస్ట్, సెకండ్ ఎపిసోడ్ నెక్స్ట్, సీక్వెన్షియల్ ఆర్డర్ పద్ధతి. అలా ఫీ క్లియర్ నానా? వెరీ గుడ్. Now all terms and conditions we know. Now we'll see the question. See the first question, Anna. So first question is what? What happened? In how many days a person completes his quota of watching web series A? Complete web series A. So first of all, web series A, how many episodes are there? 40 episodes. 40. Each episode's length is 20 minutes. 40 episodes is nothing but 800 minutes length is there. Are you clear? In web series A, total 40 episodes are there. Each episode length is 20 minutes. Total is 800 na. Now, a person, web series watched by how many minutes daily? 35 minutes. 35 how many times na? 35 2s are 70. 35 2s are 70. 22 point something na? Yes or na? 22 point something is nothing but our answer should be 23. We will get 22 point something. That is very closer to 23. Are you ready? Approximately is nothing but after 22 we will get what? 23 only na? What happened? Watch time web series na? Web series A na? They're talking about A web series na? See here. Now just observe here. They're talking question is what? In how many days a person completes his quota of watching web series A? Web series A. On web series A, generally a person allocates daily 35 minutes. On web series B, a person daily allocates 25 minutes. On web series C, a person daily allocates 18 minutes. On web series D, a person allocates daily 21 minutes. They're talking about web series A. On web series A, a person generally allocate how many minutes per day? 35 minutes per day. If you want complete web series A total, how many episodes are there in web series A? 40 episodes. Each episode length is how much? 20 minutes. Therefore, entire duration of the web series A is how much? 800 minutes. Daily you are allocating how much time for web series A? 35 minutes. How many days it will take? Are you clear? Sir, నేను వెబ్ సిరీస్ ఏ మాత్రమే చూస్తాను, వెబ్ సిరీస్ బి చూడండి సార్. కంప్లీట్ టైం ఈ 25 minutes, 18 minutes, 21 minutes కూడా నేను వెబ్ సిరీస్ ఏమైనా అలకేట్ చేస్తుంటే కుదరదు. ఆన్ వెబ్ సిరీస్ ఏ యు ఆర్ అలకేటింగ్ ఓన్లీ 35 minutes per day. Are you clear, Nana? What happened this one? Okay. Next question, Nana. Are you understood now, Nana? Very good. Second question. Find the difference between the number of days taken for watching 25 episodes of web series B and 20 episodes of web series C. Now look at here. 25 episodes is nothing but each episode length is 20 minutes na? Whatever web series that is, web series A, web series B, web series C, web series D, whatever episode and whatever web series, common, that is 20 minutes is common. Are you clear, Nana? Initially they given, the starting statement itself they given. See the first statement in the first paragraph. Yes or no? Now 25 episodes is nothing but 500 minutes na? 500 minutes na? Which web series? B. Then 500 by B, how much time you are allocating daily? So 500 by 25. Are you clear, Nana? How much time? Just keep aside. 20 episodes of web series C. 20 episodes is nothing but total how much time? 20 episodes is nothing but total 400 minutes na? Each episode is 20 minutes. Each episode is web series C, how much time you are allocating? 400 by 18. They are asking difference na? So 400 by 18. 18 how many times? 18 2s are 36. Remainder is 40. 18 2s are 36. Remainder is 40. So remainder is 4 by 18. 4 by 18 is nothing but 4 by 18. 2 by 9. 2 by 9 is nothing but 22.22 na? Yes or na? Minus 20. Then 2.22 is nothing but 2 days cross na? 2 days crossed is nothing but next day is whom? Third day na? Next day is what na? Third day. So your answer is 3 days. They are asking approximately how many days difference. 2 days crossed is nothing but that will be a third day. Here the remembering point, it is only one point. Whatever web series, whatever episode, 20 minutes is duration. That is fixed. Are you clear, Nana? Shall I go for the next question? Which episode of web series D? Just observe carefully here. Which episodes of web series D has been watched by a person on day 3? Day 3. They are asking about day 3. Which episodes of web series D? They are talking about what? Web series D has been watched by a person on day 3. Day 3. Now look at here, Nana, all of you. They are talking about which web series? D web series na? D web series na? First day, if you observe, Nana, carefully. First day you are watching. First day, 35 minutes na? 35 minutes, you are allocating how much time, Nana? ఫస్ట్ డే. ఎస్ ఎస్ డి ఓన్లీ. నేను కాదనట్లేదు. వెయిట్ డి ఓన్లీ. ఈచ్ అండ్ ఎవ్రీ డే యు ఆర్ వాచింగ్ ఈచ్ అండ్ ఎవ్రీ వెబ్ సిరీస్. యు ఆర్ నాట్ వాచింగ్ ఎక్స్క్లూజివ్లీ వెబ్ సిరీస్ డి. ఎస్, ఎవ్రీ డే యు ఆర్ వాచింగ్ వెబ్ సిరీస్ ఏ, ఎవ్రీ డే యు ఆర్ వాచింగ్ వెబ్ సిరీస్ బి, ఎవ్రీ డే యు ఆర్ వాచింగ్ వెబ్ సిరీస్ సి, ఎవ్రీ డే యు ఆర్ వాచింగ్ వెబ్ సిరీస్ డి. ఆల్ ఆఫ్ యూ క్లియర్ నానా? అది చాలా క్లియర్. ఫస్ట్ స్టేట్మెంట్ ఉంది కదా, మీకు ఫస్ట్ స్టేట్మెంట్ చూడండి. మీకు ఇచ్చిన ఫస్ట్ స్టేట్మెంట్ మీరు మర్చిపోతున్నారు. ఫస్ట్ స్టేట్మెంట్ మర్చిపోయి మళ్ళీ చివరికి వచ్చేస్తున్నారు. ఫస్ట్ స్టేట్మెంట్ చూడండి. ఫస్ట్ స్టేట్మెంట్లో ఏమి ఇచ్చాను అక్కడ? వాట్ దే గివెన్? ఏ పర్సన్ వాజ్ వాచింగ్ 4 వెబ్ సిరీస్ ఆన్ అమెజాన్ ప్రైమ్, has some episodes. Okay, the time length of each episode of web series is what? 20 minutes. The given bar graph shows the percentage of distribution, and see that note in the note. See the fourth point. Every day the person watches each show in numerical order. For example, a person watch first episode of web series A and the second episode of second web series. All of you clear, Nana? Now if you observe carefully here, Nana, all of you, which episodes of web series D has been watched by a person on day 3? On day 3. First day 1. If you see the day 1, how much time you are allocating, Nana? Day 1 how much, Nana? 35 minutes, na? In 35 minutes time you are watching episode A, na? Episode A. Episode A how much, Nana? 20 minutes. 20 minutes. Which episode of web series D has been watched by person on day 3? Okay. Web series D anadu kada? Okay, we are talking about only web series D here. Then only web series D is nothing but first day how many minutes you are allocating? How many minutes, Nana? 21 minutes, na? Then 20 minutes one episode completed, na? 20 minutes one episode completed. In second episode 1 minute watched. 1 minute. This is a day 1, na? This is in day 2. In day 2, 19 minutes of second episode and 2 minutes of third episode. This is day 2. Day 3, 18 minutes of episode 3 and 3 minutes of episode 4 and day 3. And which episode, Nana? Episode 3, episode on day 3. So the answer is what? 3 and 4. This is episode 1 and remaining 1 minute episode 2. This is remaining 19 minutes of episode 2 and 2 minutes of episode 3. Daily you are allocating time on web series D is 21 minutes. All of you clear, Nana? Daily మీ యొక్క టైం టేబుల్ ఏంటంటే వెబ్ సిరీస్ D మీద 21 minutes అలకేట్ చేయాలి. కానీ ఒక ఎపిసోడ్ డ్యూరేషన్ 20 minutes కదా. 20 minutes ఒక ఎపిసోడ్ చూసేసి నిద్రపోరు. మీరు అనుకున్న ప్రకారం 21 minutes. అలాంటప్పుడు ఏం చేయాలి? ఎపిసోడ్ 2 ఓపెన్ చేసి 1 minute చూసి నిద్రపోవాలి. నెక్స్ట్ డే 1 minute చూసుంటారు కాబట్టి నెక్స్ట్ 19 minutes చూసి నెక్స్ట్ మళ్ళా 2 minutes ఎపిసోడ్ 3కి వెళ్తారు. నెక్స్ట్ డే ఆ రిమైనింగ్ 18 minutes చూసి మళ్ళీ ఎపిసోడ్ 4కి వెళ్తారు. అది క్లియర్, నానా? టైం టేబుల్ పక్కగా ఫాలో అవుతున్నాడు బాబు. నెక్స్ట్ అన్న, నెక్స్ట్ క్వశ్చన్ ఇస్ వాట్? Find the total number of completed episodes watched by person in first 2 days. Total number of complete episodes. First 2 days kadana. See first web series A. Web series A duration is 20 minutes, na? Daily you are allocating 35 minutes on web series A. 2 days is nothing but 70 minutes. 2 days is nothing but 70 minutes. One episode duration is 20 minutes. How many completed episodes are possible? 3. 4 are possible. Only completed episodes they are asking. completed, not partially completed. 2 days, 70 minutes time we are allocating on web series A. Each episode duration is 20 minutes. Then 70 minutes, how many are completed? 3 completed. 1 is partially completed. We need completely completed. Are you clear, Nana? Next, web series B. 1 day 25 minutes, na? 2 days 50 minutes. In 50 minutes, how many 20 minutes are possible? 2. Sorry, here 3.5, sir. Here 2.5, sir. Half of 1, sir. Don't calculate like that. Next, sir. Web series C. 18 minutes daily. 2 days. 2 days. 36 minutes is nothing but how many episodes are possible? Only 1. Next, Nana. Total 42 minutes. How many episodes are possible? Then total. Are you clear? Shall I go for the next question, Anna? Find the average number of complete episodes of web series B, C, D watched by person. They're asking B, C, D, na? Watch number of episodes are these only. They're asking B, C, D average, na? Are you clear? 36, 32, 68 plus 6, 74 by 3. 3 how many times, Anna? 3 24 times 72, 70, and our answer is 24 point something. So 24 point something, how many options? Only one option. 2 options are there, na? Nana 24.11, na? That is not. So 3 24 times 72, na? Remainder is 2. 2 by 3 is nothing but 0.66, na? It's not 0.11, na? 2 options on the enter. Next, na? Are you clear? Shall I go for the next question, Anna? Find the minimum possible number of completed episodes of any series watched by the person after 4 days. Minimum. They're asking minimum. Where a person is spending minimum time? C. And we are talking about C. In 4 days is nothing but 72 minutes, na? Per day 18 minutes. 4 days is nothing but 72 minutes. 72 minutes, how many episodes are possible? They're asking minimum. If they ask maximum, you have to consider A. Are you clear, Nana? Shall I go for the next question? I think this is completed. Now see the 61 to 64, 63, na? Yes. Study the following information carefully and answer the questions. Try next. It starts from station A and after traveling 60 kilometers, it reduces its speed by 25%. Hence, it reaches station B at 10 am. Train by. It starts from station A at the same time, and when train X starts, after traveling 90 kilometers, it reduces its speed by 25%. Hence, it will reach the station B at 9:45 am. As both the travel at the original speed, then they reach B at 8:30 am. Okay, no problem. So train X, train Y. So both are started at the same time. So train X, after traveling 60 kilometers, he reduces speed by 25% and reaches the destination at 10 am. Actual time is what? But he reached by, and late by how many minutes? Late by how many minutes? 90 minutes, na? Late by 90 minutes, na? Why late? Speed is reduced, na? How much reduced? 25%. 25% is nothing but 1 by 4, na? Original speed is 4 parts. 1 part reduced, na? New speed is 3 parts. Are you clear, Nana? Next, train Y, after traveling 90 kilometers, speed is reduced by 25% only and reached at what time? 9:45, na? 9:45, na? Correct time is 8:30, na? Correct time is 8:30. Then how many minutes late? 75 minutes late, na? How many minutes late? 75 minutes late. Now observe carefully here, Nana. Here also original speed is 4, new speed is 3. First of all, we need to find out original speed, na? Original speed, na? Here distance is constant, na? point A to point B distance is same na for train X and train Y. When our distance is constant, yes or na? Here speeds ratio they given na. Speeds ratio is what na? 4:3. Then times ratio is 3:, difference is how many parts? That one part is how many minutes here? How many minutes? One part is 15 minutes, three parts is 45 minutes. In 45 minutes duration only, how much difference is there between first duration and second duration? 30 kilometers na. Due to the a train traveled 30 kilometers in how many minutes na? 45 minutes. 30 kilometers in 45 minutes is nothing but in 1 hour how much they travel? Nana 45 minutes, 30 kilometers. Then in 1 hour how much? 40 na, 40 kilometers na. Are you clear nana? So 15 3s are 15, 4s are 3, 10 times, 4, 10 times. Therefore, the original speed of the train X and the train Y is what? 40. Original speed is 40. After traveling some distance, they reduce it to 30. Are you clear, Nana? Therefore, original speed of the train we know. Original speed of the train we know. Now see the first question, Nana. Now see the first question, all of you. Find the distance between A and B. Nana, from here to here we know distance, na. This is how much? If you find out this distance, then you will get total distance, na. Train speed is how much, Nana? Train speed 40 minutes na, 40 kilometer per hour na. Now see here. Now look at here, all of you. If you observe carefully here, in 15 minutes, how much duration na? How much distance I travel? 30 kilometers na. In 15 minutes difference is there na. In 15 minutes gap, how much difference is there? In 15 minutes difference, how many kilometers? 30 kilometers. Now we need 90 minutes duration na. 90 minutes duration, how much distance? How much na? 15 how many times? 6 times na. 36 times. This 180 is not total distance. This 180 is the remaining distance. Therefore, total distance between A and B is how much? 240. The total distance between A and B is how much na? 240. Your answer is 240. 15 minutes late. That will be equivalent to 30 kilometers. 15 minutes late is nothing but 30 kilometers. 90 minutes late is nothing but how many kilometers? Are you clear, Nana? Shall I go for the next question? Next question. Are you ready? 62 na? Now 62 only. Now, if the speed of train Z is 150% of speed of train X. Train X speed is what, Nana? Then Z train is what? 150% is nothing but 150% of 40 is nothing but 60. Find the time taken by to cover the same distance A and B. A and B distance is by. So it will take 4 hours. Are you ready? 63. Find the ratio of time taken by X and Y to cover the half of the distance between A and B. They're asking half of the distance. Total distance is 120 na. Total distance is 240. Half distance is nothing but 120. Now look at here. Look at here, all of you. First train X. First what na? First 60 kilometers they travel with 60 km per hour na. First 60 kilometers they travel with 4 parts. 4 parts is nothing but 40. And first 60 kilometers at the rate of 40. Remaining is how much? Half is nothing but remaining is how much? 60. Total half is nothing but 120. First 60 with the help of 4. 4 parts is nothing but 40. Remaining 60. 30. How much, Anna? This is 1.5. This is 2. 1.5. This is 1.5 na. This is 2 na. The total is coming to Y. First 90 at the rate of 40 plus remaining 30 at the rate of 30. And this is 1 hour na. This is 9 by 4 na. 9 by 1 plus 9 by 4 is nothing but 13 by 4. 1 plus 9 by 4 is nothing but 13 by 4 na. 4 comes to this side. 14 is to 13. So the answer is 14 is to 13. 4 3.5 times 14 only. They're asking only half distance. Are you clear, Nana? Don't take original speed. According to the problem, only 60 kilometers to 40 kilometers per hour. Remaining 60 kilometers, 30 kilometers per hour for train. First 90 kilometers for 40 kilometers per hour. Next 30 kilometers at the rate of 30 kilometers per hour by train by. Are you clear, Nana? Shall I go for the next question? See here, this model is completed. Next one. Now see here, P plus Q plus R, that is equal to how much, Nana? 15. So P not equal to Q not equal to R. Okay. Quantity 1. Maximum value of P into Q into R if P, Q are positive integers. Just keep aside. Next, Nana, maximum value of P into Q into R, P comma Q is greater than minus 10 and R is 32. If you observe carefully here, all of you, if R is 32, P plus Q plus R together is 15 na? P plus Q plus R together is 15 na? If R is 32, this 32 comes to the side. Minus, and PQ are greater than minus 10 na? Greater than minus 10 is nothing but P value is negative value. Q value is also negative value. Some negative value, whatever it may be. Whatever you have to assume. Say for example, this is minus 10. Greater than minus 10 na? Greater than minus 10 is nothing but not minus 10. Minus 9. Minus 8. Minus 9 and minus 8 are greater than minus 10 na? And if you go for minus 9 into minus 8 into minus 32, minus plus na? 9 into 8 into 32 will get larger value na? But if you go for first equation, PQR, together sum is 15 only. You may get Q value is, say for example, Q value is 13 or Q value is 11, R value is 11, Q value is 2, P value is 2. Is it possible? Then you can say confidently, by seeing the numbers itself, you can say confidently, 2 is more than quantity 1. If you take whatever values in first quantity 1, whatever values, that should be less than quantity 2 only. And we can say confidently, option 2 is the right answer. Quantity 1 is less than quantity 2. Yes or no? So no need to take, because PQ are sum together is 15. It's not possible to get 9 into 8 into 32. All of you clear, Nana? Next question, Nana. Question number 65. See here, 4x minus 3a. 4x minus 3a by x is equal to 2 by 3. Go for cross multiplication. What do we get? 12x minus 9a is equal to 2x. Then 10x is equal to 9a. Then x by a is equal to 9 by x is 9. And therefore quantity 1 is less than quantity 2, because value of x is 9, value of a is 10. Are you clear, Nana? Next. Question number 66. Now, question number 66. Rajesh can type P words in 1 hour. Sam can type P plus 30 words in 45 minutes. That P words, P is less than or equal to 60 na? That P I am going to assume as 60. P can type how many words, Nana? 60 words. Sam can type 90 words in 45 minutes. Then 1 hour. 1 hour how much, Nana? 120 words na? Sam can type 120 words per hour. Here P I assume as 60. Sir, why you are assuming as 60? Here P is less than or equal to 60. I am going to take 60. Are you clear, Nana? If P is 60, P plus 30 is 90. 90 watts in 45 minutes, then 60 minutes, 120 watts, na? Yes. P 60 minutes in 1 hour, Sam, 120 watts in 1 hour. Next, Nana, first quantity. Rajesh can type how many watts in 2 hours? Rajesh, Nana, this is just Rajesh. Rajesh, 2 hours, how much, Nana? 120. 1 hour 60, 2 hours 120. Sam can type how many words in 1 hour 15 minutes? 1 hour 15 minutes is nothing but 120 plus 1 by 4th of the hour. 1 by 4th of the hour is nothing but, and the quantity 1 is less than quantity 2. Are you clear? Sir, why you are taking 60? If you take 50, sir, you will get the same answer. Are you clear? 60 is a plain number. Are you clear? Next one. Question number is what? 60, 67. P rupees invested in scheme X at R% for 2 years at compound interest. 11P by 150 rupees invested in scheme Y at R% per annum for 10 years in simple interest. Interest received from scheme X is 3 times the interest received from scheme Y. So scheme Y interest is 1 part, scheme X interest is 3 parts. Okay. Now look at here, Nana. Quantity 2 they given 20. All of you clear? They're asking quantity 1. If you know quantity 1, then you have to compare easily. So here, quantity 1 also I am going to assume as 20. Are you clear, Nana? If I assume 20, that is equal, then option is there. If it is not equal, if it is more, option is there. If it is less, option is there. All of you clear, Nana? So that is the reason I assume as 20. Rate of interest is 20. Now, P rupees invested in scheme X. In scheme Y, 11P by 150, na? Therefore, P value should be, it's a multiple of 150. P value should be, it's a multiple of 150 or not. So that is the reason in scheme X, I am going to invest 1500 rupees. Are you clear? In scheme X, I am going to invest how much? Multiple of 150 in terms of 100. Now, scheme X, Nana, I am investing 1500 rupees. Rate of interest I assume as what? For how many years? Compound interest, na? Compound interest, na? So 1500, 20% is nothing but 20%. This is first year interest, na? Second year interest is nothing but 300 plus 20% of 300. Total it is what? This is scheme X, na? This is scheme X, na? Now coming to scheme Y, 11P by 150. If P is 1500, so 150 get cancelled. Then remaining is what? 110, na? Remaining is what? 110. 11P. P ante 1500 by 150. 150 get cancelled. Remaining is 110. 110 rupees. R percentage nothing but 20%, na? For 10 years, na? 1 year, 20%. 10 years is nothing but 200%. Principal is what? Principal 110. Principal is what? Rate of interest. Not 20, 200%. 1 year 20%. 20 years, sorry, 10 years. 20% into 10, 200%. Simple interest, na? Straight away 10 years directly. Yes or not? 200% of 110. Now scheme Y interest is 220, na? 3 by 1 only. And our assumption is correct or not? And 1 is equal to 2. If I got less, then I go for quantity 1 is less than quantity 2. If it is more, quantity 1 is greater than quantity 2. Are you clear, Nana? 150 multiple. 150 multiple. Shall I go for the next question? So tell me, Nana, quadratic equations. 2x square plus 7x plus k is equal to 0. Nana, 2 comes to here, na? 2 comes to here, na? Sum should be 7, na? Generally, what are the possibilities for 7? 4 and 3. 4 and 3. 4 and 3 sum is 7. 4 and 3 product is 12, na? Already 2 is there, na? And the k value should be 6. Next, see the first question. Find the value of k. and condition also they given. Larger root of equation 1 is root of the equation 2 and the smallest root of the equation is minus. All of it clear, Nana? Smallest root is minus 2 only, na? So k value is how much, Nana? 6. Next question. Yes, k value we got, that is 6. Larger root of the equation 1 is root of equation 2, smallest. Equation 1 is what? So they're asking about b, na? Here the 2, a is unknown variable, b is unknown variable, y is also unknown variable, na? Is it possible to find out, Nana? No. So your answer is, because both are unknown variables only. There is no numerical value there. All of it clear, Nana? So answer cannot be determined. Next. P is equal to minus 2 into under root of k plus 3. P is equal to minus 2 into k plus 3. K is how much, Nana? 6. 6 plus 3. Under root of 9 is nothing but minus 2 into 3. So your answer is minus 6. Thank you all of you.